Find three additional polar representations of 1 pi over 4. So the formula you need to know for these kinds of problems is r theta is equal to negative r theta plus pi. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this point in. So radius is going to be 1, theta is going to be pi over 4. Okay, and that's going to be negative r. So negative how much? Negative 1. And then theta plus pi. So pi over 4 plus pi. Now what's pi over 4 plus pi? Okay, so we need to get a common denominator. Pi is how many pi over 4? 4 pi over 4. Okay, so 1 pi plus 4 pi, how many pi is that? 5 pi. Okay, so this is the same thing as pi over 4. Okay, and you can double check that this and this are the same point. Let's go ahead and do that. How would we plot this? So pi over 4, that's halfway between 0 and pi over 2. So here. Okay. And then the 1 means the radius is 1. So go towards pi over 4, the radius is 1. Okay. Now how about this point? How would we plot this one? Well, 5 pi over 4 is halfway between pi and 3 pi over 2. Right? Because this is 4 pi over 4. And this is 6 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4, that's halfway between 4 pi over 4 and 6 pi over 4. Okay. So this is halfway between here and here. And then, okay, so the negative 1, what does that mean? So instead of going towards this, we need to go away. So go away, and the radius is 1. So we're here again. Okay, so these are two representations, but we need to find 2 more because they're asking for 3 additional ones. So where are the other 2? Well, since they said negative 2 pi is less than or equal to theta, less than or equal to 2 pi, we need to think about how the unit circle repeats. It repeats every 2 pi. Also, our points have positive angles, but we don't have any negative angles yet. So how do we come up with ones with negative angles? Well, the unit circle repeats every 2 pi, so I can just subtract 2 pi from this to get another point. Okay, so what's pi over 4 minus 2 pi? We'll get a common denominator again. Okay, 1 pi minus 8 pi, that's negative 7 pi. And the denominator is 4. Okay, so 1 and negative 7 pi over 4. Okay, and I'll give you a second to pause the video and repeat my steps with this one. Okay, what did you get? Okay, so this one minus 2 pi, that's going to be negative 3 pi over 4. Okay, so these are your answers.